website, www.rockfordspeedway.com. Also on Facebook, we are at Rockford Speedway. At Twitter, RFD Speedway. And the video company that records all of our videos is Misfit Productions. We are picking up speed as we are going racing this next time around. Say it with me. Green flag, and we're racing.
And it'll be the Gremlin in the Lundy machine. Lundy Racing out front in that 11, the 131 of Dave Lumsden Jr. in a tight second, and a nice little battle with the 52 of Brent Garnhart.
I think we should call him Brett Smoking Garnhart, because he is a smoking, Eric.
And rounding off your top 4 to 19 at Kurt Neischwanger. That is a possibility. But regardless, Dominic Lundy out of Roscoe, Illinois, 11th in the points for the Mountain Dew Kickstart Roadrunners. Currently holding on to the lead in heat number 2. Lumsden Jr. right behind him. Go.
Eric, I remember coming here as a kid. One of the best smells at the Speedway is when these tires start burning and you smell the burnt rubber coming out of here. Oh, it's just a great smell.
Yeah, and there goes your smoker right off the track. There goes your grill, Brent Garnhart. And that smoker 52 checks off. So there's down to 3 in this heat. But the battle's still out front as you have Lundy and Lumsden in a battle. Side by side they go in turns 3 and 4.
Oh, Lundy and Lumsden.
Yeah, a couple of L's getting a little squirrely.
And this is Lumsden on the inside of Lundy. Dominic Lundy, the son of Josh Lundy, our Sportsman driver. The car that looks just like that one. Hey, we got another car that joined us. It's the 88X of Keegan Rodden. He told me today he was working on his car all week, finally got it figured out, and now he's on the track.
All right.
For now.
Keegan down about 5 laps here as he rolls on to the heat, but it's Lumsden Jr. now out front ahead of Dominic Lundy in that 131 machine out of Rockford, Illinois. 12th in the points is David Lumsden Jr.
Well, Eric, what I think is pretty cool is Keegan Rodden can go ahead and tell his friends after this race, hey, I got 4th place in my race.
Yeah, in the heat.
Doesn't say how many cars are in the race, but he tells them he's in 4th.
Oh, and the number 2 machine, there goes Dominic Lundy in that 11. So he wasn't sitting in 2nd, and he's got some problems. So we're looking, David Lumsden Jr. is going to have a clean heat. This will be his 2nd heat win here at the Rockford Speedway. Kurt Neischwanger will finish in 2nd.
Wow, what a turn of events there in this race, Eric. As Neischwanger will just get 2nd, and Keegan Rodden, I don't know if he's going to get 3rd or not because he's so many laps down. I don't know.
Yeah, he's in the 3rd spot currently. 5 laps behind. The 52 is 6 laps behind. So, yes, Keegan Rodden in that 88X machine will finish in 3rd.
All right. So look at that cool-looking 131 Roadrunner, David Lumsden. Isn't that a junior, Eric? That is a junior. Yeah, that's what I couldn't remember. David Lumsden Jr.
Yeah, it'll be a 2nd heat win here this year at the Rockford Speedway.
Looks like he's driving a Monte Carlo.